Hey, here we are today. It's a beautiful day. A little cold. We are in the Tempier Lake. That's where we are. In Palos Park, I think. Okay. Okay, I catch you there. There you see cars on the other side of the lake. Here. Oh wow! Wow!
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, seagulls, yeah.
Especially the seagulls.
Yeah. Wow.
See more even the turkey watch than you do out here in Colorado.
I know.
You hang around waiting for people to throw french fries out. You're not in any Walmart's parking lot. It's full of seagulls.
So cool. Look at them. Oh wow. Seagulls. Oh man, how nice. Okay, we're gonna.
Yeah.
I just wanna record it maybe on this side a little bit more. You want me to record you?
No.
No? That's so cool. Why they do that? They jump to the water, clean their feet, and then keep flying, huh?
Oh my God, look how close they're getting.
Yeah. Oh wow.
Remember in Florida, it's like that.
Yeah. Wow. It's all the lake around. Are you cutie? How he's cute. Yeah, it's beautiful.
You see how the kids
Yeah.
are getting to the kids?
Yeah.